The campaign that our group decided is the best is the Planned Parenthood's Where Did You Wear It campaign. As you can see on the screen, this is a screenshot of the Where Did You Wear It campaign's website. It's bright, it's engaging, and it's perfect for our population, which is college-age students. So why is the Where Did You Wear It campaign the best? Planned Parenthood launched this campaign out in Washington State on a college campus with 55,000 plus college students. The condoms that were distributed included barcodes that can be scanned by users' smartphones to connect them to the Where Did You Wear It website. It is like checking in on Facebook or checking in on any social media, and they're checking in their safe sex activity. The campaign targets college-age students, two groups who we know are comfortable with social media, to promote healthy sexuality and the initiatives of Safe Sex Happens, Be Proud to Wear Protection. As condom users check in, the information shows up on the website's map, which is searchable by gender, sexual orientation, approximate age, location, and other filters. The site also offers information on how to use a condom correctly, provides a list of nearby Planned Parenthood health centers where condoms are available, and includes a link to a page with condom information on PlannedParenthood.org. The site promotes discussions within relationships about condoms and helps to remove perceived stigmas that some people may have about condom use. So what theory works best with the Where Did You Wear It campaign? The theory of planned behavior works best for this campaign because the theory of planned behavior suggests that if a behavior is perceived to be important and subjective norms seem to support the behavior, then people are more likely to engage in that behavior if they also perceive that it is within their control. So college-age students utilizing the Where Did You Wear It campaign, no matter what their perceived attitudes or perceived behaviors were previously, using the Where Did You Wear It website and engaging in that is how the theory of planned behavior works best with this campaign. On the screen, you can see attitudes towards behavior, perceived behavioral control, and behavioral intention with the previous slides examples on how the campaign works. So which theory works best for condom use promotion as a whole? The theory of planned behavior. This flowchart and figure was based on research done by the American College Health Association that studied the theory of planned behavior and condom use promotion on college campuses. Within the theory of planned behavior, they studied intention to use the condom. Intention has a strong correlation with condom use behavior and is also antecedent to that behavior. Any education aimed at promoting condom use among college students should seek to influence their intentions. Attitude towards behavior. Over 80% of the participants had favorable attitudes towards condom use. However, more females than males have favorable attitude towards condom use. Given that fact that the attitude influenced students' intention to use condoms, efforts should be made to educate college students as a whole, but especially those male students, to develop positive attitude toward condom use. Specifically, education should be promoted to dispel misperception about condom use, which is exactly what the Where Did You Wear It campaign does, and that's why we chose it to be the best.